Hi everybody, I just wanted to go over with you one more time on how to make your sketches or your inked drawings or your concept sketches look like the originals when you go to edit them with your in your photo editing software on your phone. So here we have a design, and I'm going to get right over it. Remember that you need to be directly over it. You don't want to be from the side like this or like this. You want to be directly over your design and your sketches, and you want to try to fill the frame. But obviously, if you have a whole sketch, you might have to pull it back like this, and that's fine too. You can always edit it afterward. So one of the things I'm going to do, because I want this black and white, I'm going to click the filter up at the upper right hand side of the screen. And instead of doing original, I'm going to slide all the way over and go to noir. And that helps turn any sketch into black and white. So even if you used color marker, it would still be black and white. I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to take the picture. Now I am going to click on the picture and we're going to edit it. If you notice here on the upper part of the picture, it is white. And here you might notice that the photo itself is kind of a gray color. So we want to change that so that it almost matches this white that's kind of in the background of the picture. To do that, we're going to click Edit. And you're going to slide this slider over to Brilliance. We've been finding that this works the best. And we want to slide that over a little bit until we start to get a nice looking white background. So this is kind of working, but not quite. But you can see that it's flattening out that background a little bit. So I'm just going to click Done. And now you can see it's still not really great. So now I'm going to use contrast, or exposure rather. And I'm going to lighten up that background now. And you can see that that background almost looks white. Sometimes it looks a little different on the screen than it does on the phone. So I might go something like here. I'm going to click Done. And now you'll notice that, oh, look at that. All that gray compared to the white that was at the top here is now gone. So this is pretty good for a sketch. So this is ready to go. And when you're ready, you're just going to go to your Google Classroom and you're going to select your class and the assignment from here. Now I'm not signed in as a student, so I need to do that. And let's say this was for cartoon design, or it could be for design and architecture. There will be assignments that you are going to be uploading sketches. So you're going to click classwork and you're going to find the assignment. So we're going to put this one in Inktober. And I'm going to click the up button and I'm going to add the attachment. So it's on my photos, so I'm going to click Pick Photo. And then I'm going to click the one I want to upload. It will do that automatically. And it should show it here once it's uploaded. And you're going to click Turn In and Turn In again. And there you go. Your work is submitted. So make sure that you orient your photo and that you make sure that that the line art is dark and the background is white.